Um, our question for today is about Brahma Muhurtam. We have heard about Brahma Muhurtam and the benefits, but I don't think a lot of us really know the significance of what is Brahma Muhurtam and why is it so important to human lives that you could just explain to us.
Yeah, in our traditional system, in our traditional knowledge, we divide three segments: Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. So, Brahma is the creator. So, whatever humanity does is invention and discovery. Discovery is something which is already there, which we don't know, we find it out. Invention is something which is not there, we make one. Like a radio is an, in a way, it is an invention. A telephone is an invention,
Right.
like something like that. So we don't create anything as human beings. It's only the nature, the power of nature, which five supreme elements can create things. I can make a replica of you, Vishaka, if you provide one of your DNA, but I cannot create the DNA. So making out of cloning by obtaining one of your DNA is scientific work, which is not creation, which is called manipulation. So a great artist can, if you can give him a beautiful stand and a canvas and a beautiful colors of paints and brush and all that, he can come out with a phenomenal painting. But that's not creation. That's something called manipulation. You know, creating that canvas is the work of nature. The component used to create that canvas is work of nature. So this is what is Brahma, Brahma Jnana, the knowledge of Brahma, whatever, creation, creating something. So what is Brahma Muhurtam is that early morning, that after 3:30 to 6 o'clock before the sunrise, is a significant part of that 2.5, 3 hours. is completely a time which suits for many things because of the sun is about to rise, and then there will be a peace there at that time, because the entire humanity around you in your society is sleeping. When the consciousness is awake, it creates a lot of vibration in the atmosphere because of its biomagnetic power of being consciousness awake. Like at 8 o'clock in the morning, you see the peace, tranquility is not there because almost all the consciousness is awake. Whereas at 3:34 in the morning, you experience a peaceful atmosphere when you come out of your house, because most of the consciousness is sleeping. This is one. In this time, when you get up and have your bath and do your work at between 4 and 6, your thinking ability will be much clearer. You may say that one contribution, that you are not disturbed because of noise pollution and other things. That is not the only reason, that is one of the reasons, but at the same time, the atmosphere at that time, the biomagnetic energy of the earth, the geomagnetic energy of the earth suits your biomagnetic energy, so that you will be able to perform things with more effective way of completing things. Your thinking process will be much clear. You will be able to accomplish what you want to do. You can use this book. Most of us, we are so lazy, we don't like to get up early, which we don't want to do it. Whenever you want to do something unique, if you can, adopt yourself to get up and have your bath because after 3:30, 3 o'clock, 3:15, you get up and have your bath, refresh yourself, and then you start to do that particular task, what you want to complete. You will be in a position to do it perfectly, because that time suits. Various reasons for it, as I've explained you, and you can experience once. You can take it as a trial and error basis and experience this. Okay, I want to do this, let me see, let me get up and then start doing this. A 10-hour job can be completed within half an hour to 45 minutes. Your thinking process will be so fast to accomplish many things. Innovation becomes possible in this time. And then problem solving capacity of the human brain will be more. The whole thing is attributed to sacred part of our traditional knowledge of this Brahma Muhurtam. A Muhurtam is a time frame which is 90 minutes. 90 minutes of a time frame is Muhurtam.
Right.
So normally the Brahma Muhurtam is between 3:30 to 5 or 4 o'clock to 5:30, something like that. This 1 or 2 hours between 3:30 to 5:30 or 3:30 to 6 o'clock is supposed to be the most auspicious time for your both physical and mental ability to be put to maximum use with whatever little intelligence is working in you. That is why this Brahma Muhurtam, this time, is being given so much of importance in our traditional science, where people have analyzed this, found out this. It's a beautiful discovery that if you see most of the people who are in the olden days, they give lot of importance to this time, lot of unique work they do in this particular time. Thank you.